A behavior is simple. It's the action, interaction, or reaction to an environmental stimuli. What that simply means is that something happens, a stimulus event, and you'll either act in the way that you've learned to act, how you've grown up, you will react to what's occurred. This is typically when you get into trouble, or you'll interact with that stimulus, try to figure out more about it and understand what to do. Problem solving, that's fantastic. And so if it's simple, then we take the old Psych 101, the ABCs that changing behaviors is easy, right? After all, you have an antecedent, that's the A, it leads to behavior, that's a B, and if the consequence for that behavior, and it's a good behavior, is reinforced, that behavior will increase, it'll enhance. If the consequence for that behavior is that it's discipline, then it will go to extinction. It's called the cessation process. And so what you begin looking at is as simple as the ABCs, right? Well, not that simple. An antecedent, you have to know who's involved, and you have to know the context of behavior. You need to know, is it ecological, psychodynamic, biogenic, is it learned? Behavior is not a behavior, it's not observable and measurable, therefore you need to know the topography, location, frequency, duration, latency, intensity. In order to do that, you have to define, scatter plot, analyze, and trend, because you have to know the function the behavior serves. Until you know the function it serves, you can't set up a reinforcement schedule. You'll oversaturate your variables, and you have to have a reinforcement schedule in order to have a function, and that function then is going to tell us the DRI, which is your differential reinforcement of inappropriate behaviors, that tells us here's the consequence for that inappropriate behavior, as well as your DRO, which is your differential reinforcement of other behaviors, which is the replacement training for the consequent behavior. It's simple, right?